Hola amigos, today I want to share with you some tips on how to cook frozen tamales. Now you can use either pre-cooked tamales or uncooked frozen tamales for this. And on my blog post I have different tips on how to use a tamalera pot, a regular pot, how to do it in an instant pot, the microwave and air fryer. But for the video purpose, we're going to use my tamalera pot. So you're going to start off by filling it with water until the indicated line. You're going to place your steamer basket. Now if your tamalera pot has one of these divider things, which is super cool, I highly recommend this tamalera pot. I'll actually link to it. And anyway, so you're going to start off with your frozen tamales. Now you don't need to defrost them beforehand. If you want to, you can, but it works perfectly fine by just taking the tamales right out of the freezer and putting them in your tamalera pot. And you're going to steam those. So you look how cool my tamalera pot has, that little spout to add water. Now for uncooked frozen tamales, you're going to steam them for about 60 minutes before you check them. For pre-cooked frozen tamales, you're going to steam for 35 to 40 minutes. And after these times are up, you're going to carefully remove one tamal from the pot and then just let it sit for a little while, for a little bit, like 5 minutes. And then now when you unwrap it, if it easily comes away from the corn husk, it's ready to cook, to enjoy. Now, if it doesn't, you need to steam it for at least another 10 to 15 minutes before you check again. And look at how they look like just tamales that were just made and cooked and steamed the same day. Look at how delicious they are. Go check out the full article for all the details.